Okay, these are the elevators at JCPenney, Park City Center. Oh, there's none up here. Unmodernized dovers. They clearly were destined to be 3 floors, but as you can see, none of those work. Yeah, that's stuck on. It's warm. Obviously that wasn't meant to be in that spot. Dover logo's gone. 5,000 pound capacity. Obviously the controllers are a little bit iffy, but they work just fine. Takes a long time to level down here. Very good elevators, worn down, holding up nicely. I'm really surprised they haven't at least put innovation mods here yet. Again, 5,000 pounds. Fan does work. Very loud, noisy bearings. This door's dead. I checked the records. There's also 2 freight elevators in here, but I'm pretty short on time. Really good install, but worn down. And it's gonna sit here and stay open for a while. Okay, well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.